Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to take a look at one of the most exhilarating topics of our time, the future of space tourism. My name is Ben Lovegrove, and I'm old enough to remember watching the Apollo astronauts land on the moon. In those boyhood years, I imagined that by the year 2000, we would have bases on the moon. I imagined that the film 2001: A Space Odyssey was a taste of things to come. Things are taking a bit longer than expected. However, if you're anything like me, you may have dreamt of the day when ordinary people like us can venture beyond the confines of the Earth's atmosphere. Well, that day is finally getting closer. Over the next few minutes, I'll be your guide as we explore the groundbreaking developments shaping the future of space tourism. Let's kick things off by taking a look at the current state of affairs. Space tourism may seem like a treat that is confined to a small elite of the super rich, but as companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic complete another successful launch and test flight, a day when the price of a ticket for a ride into orbit becomes affordable for more and more people can't be far away. You might be wondering, what exactly will these space tourism vehicles look like? Well, picture this: sleek, state-of-the-art spacecraft designed for both comfort and safety. From Virgin Galactic's SpaceShipTwo to SpaceX's, these vessels are revolutionizing space travel, making it more accessible to everyday adventurers like you and me. The rise of private space stations. It's not just about launching into space, it's also about where you'll stay once you get there. Enter the era of private space stations. Companies like Axiom Space and Bigelow Aerospace are working on building the world's first commercial space habitats, complete with luxurious accommodations and awe-inspiring views of the cosmos. Challenges and opportunities. Of course, no journey into the final frontier is without its challenges. From technological hurdles to regulatory red tape, there's still work to be done before space tourism becomes as commonplace as a trip to the beach. But with each obstacle comes an opportunity for innovation and progress. So what do you think are the biggest hurdles facing the future of space tourism? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's peer even further into the future and consider a tantalizing possibility. Tomorrow's space tourists could very well become the first colonists on Mars. Picture this: a brave band of adventurers drawn by the allure of the red planet, embarking on a journey unlike any other in human history. With each passing day, the dream of establishing a permanent human presence on Mars edges closer to reality. Heading to Mars and beyond. Companies like SpaceX, with their ambitious plans for Martian colonization, are leading the charge towards this bold new frontier. And while the challenges are daunting, ranging from the harsh Martian environment to the logistical hurdles of long-term habitation, the rewards are equally profound. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars, gazing up at the night sky and knowing that you're not just a visitor, but a pioneer in the truest sense of the word. But make no mistake, the road to Mars won't be easy. It will require combined efforts of governments, private companies, and individuals alike. Yet, with each step forward, we're inching closer to a future where humanity's footprint extends far beyond the confines of Earth. So who knows, the next time you book a ticket into space, you might just find yourself on the journey of a lifetime, one that leads not just to the stars, but to a new home among them. Future generations beyond the solar system. As we gaze towards the future of space exploration, it's impossible not to wonder what lies beyond the boundaries of our own solar system. While our current focus may be on nearby destinations like the Moon and Mars, beckoning us towards stars and galaxies. For future generations of space travelers, the dream of interstellar exploration may become a reality. Imagine spacecraft powered by advanced propulsion systems capable of traversing the vast expanse of space at speeds unimaginable today. These intrepid explorers will embark on journeys spanning light years, venturing into the unknown in search of new worlds and civilizations. But the challenges of interstellar travel are immense, requiring breakthroughs in technology, energy generation, perhaps even our understanding of the fabric of the universe itself. Yet, as history has shown time and time again, humanity is nothing if not resilient and resourceful. With each passing day, we're unlocking new secrets of the cosmos and inching closer to the day when we take our first tentative steps beyond the confines of our solar system. So, while the road to the stars may be long and fraught with challenges, the promise of what lies ahead is nothing short of awe-inspiring. From the exploration of nearby exoplanets to the discovery of new phenomena in the far reaches of space, the future of interstellar exploration holds boundless possibilities for those brave enough to reach for them. The promise of space tourism. Despite the challenges, the promise of space tourism is simply too tantalizing to ignore. Imagine gazing out at the Earth from the window of your own personal spacecraft, experiencing weightlessness as you float around the cabin. It's a once-in-a-lifetime adventure that promises to redefine our understanding of what it means to be a tourist and a human. Well folks, that's all we have time for today, but before you go, I want to hear from you. What excites you most about the future of space tourism? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you want to stay up to date on all things space related, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another update. Until next time, keep looking up.